Hi guys, welcome back. Lesson how to hide recently closed Chrome tabs on your Mac and Windows PC. Want to keep your browsing history private or simply prevent others from seeing the tabs you recently closed in Google Chrome? Well, fret not at all. Whether you are on Mac or Windows PC, Chrome stores a list of your recently closed tabs that can easily be accessed by anyone using your computer. Fortunately, you can now hide the recently closed Chrome tabs with ease in order to safeguard your privacy from the prying eyes. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first off, you have to launch the Google Chrome app on your Mac or Windows PC. And then you have to head over to the Start page. After that, take a look at Continue with this tab section and hit the triple dot icon located right next to it. And finally, you have to choose Hide these tabs option in the menu and you are all set. All the recently closed Chrome tabs will instantly disappear and will no longer appear on the start page. So that's all you need to know to safeguard your recently closed tabs in Google Chrome on a Mac and Windows PC. Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy feature, make the most of it to safeguard your browsing, and I'll catch you up in the next one.